Firefighters are battling relentless flames that have swept through residential areas in Los Angeles, California. The firefighting operation is concentrated in Mandeville Canyon, a high-profile area known for housing numerous American celebrities. Aerial support, including water-dropping helicopters, has been deployed to combat the blaze. However, strong winds continue to delay the efforts, driving the fire to spread rapidly across a wider area. Residents who have lost their homes have sought shelter at designated disaster evacuation centers as authorities work to contain this situation. The wildfire has reportedly destroyed several Hollywood properties, including the homes of Paris Hilton and Heidi Montag.